Goeiedag, good day. Ek hoop alles gaan goed. I hope everything is well. Vandag se woorde wat ons gaan oefen hou verband met die tema oefening. Today's words we're going to practice related to the theme exercise. Nou, ons gaan hierdie 2 keer doen en elke keer gaan jy die woorde na my herhaal. Now we're going to do this twice and you're going to repeat the words after me. Are you ready? Okay. Loop, hardloop, fietsry, swem, sport, boks. Baie mooi. Well done. We're going to do it one more time. Loop, hardloop, fietsry, swem, sport, boks. Baie mooi. Well done. Thank you so much. Baie dankie en totsiens.